I don't know. Something about it is fishy to me. Right. I'm going to do the investigation so y'all don't have to waste y'all money. 8 minutes to make some almond milk or some oat milk or something like that? No. I need to be convinced. Something don't sound right here. So, let's get into it. I got hazelnuts. I don't know. I just wanted to be a little different. I've never had hazelnut milk. Go ahead, throw that in. It's water into the fill line. And that's all you need. We're going up to nut milk. You see it's 8 minutes. Start it up. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Now they better not been lying to me. You lying to me? Wait a minute. I gotta call my mama. Okay, so I'm straining it. This is the part that I haven't seen on there. Don't spend $5, $6 on a gallon of almond milk or whatever, oat milk, whatever you eat, drink at the store. Don't do it. Make your own. Literally, that bag of hazelnuts cost me like $3. And I didn't even use it. I still could make about 2 more rounds of this. And look how much this is. It's a wrap, y'all. Get one at the link below.